Hello guys, today we're gonna review these two things over here. This is from McDonald's and yeah, we're gonna start over this thing. Batman. We have a QR code in here, but I've, I've I've already tried it, but it doesn't work. It says Batman. Mm, Look at his face. Alright, we're gonna open this can over here. We have this. Is this a sticker? Yeah, it's a sticker. And this it's a kind of map. I think it's like finding new things over here. Yeah, and another game. Let's try to play this game. You have to find this Joe 3 times. We have that thing over here and here. That's 3 times. And the Batman logo 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is that 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. The next thing is another Batman logo 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see that? Yeah, 7, 8, 9, 10. These two, these two Batman logos are really hard to see, but they're it's just the color is gray, not black. And next, Wonder Woman. It's the same packaging as Batman. That's cute. Wonder Woman. Doesn't have the same as the Batman. I think this is some type of card, like Pokemon card. Yeah. 6 of them. Oh, I think there's some type of drawing on beneath them. This kind of hard. Oh wait, this. Is that right? No, I think that isn't right. I think this is right. It's 4, but wait. Oh, I think that's it. In the Wonder Woman, there's no sticker like this. Just these 6 cards. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Comment for more.